Hello everyone, my name is Mayur. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about Azure Compute Service. Azure Compute is an on-demand computing service for running cloud-based applications. It provides computing resources such as disk, processor, memory, networking, and operating systems. The resources are available on demand and can be made available in minutes or even seconds. You pay only for the resources you use and only for as long as you are using them. There are many compute services like virtual machine containers. Let's look into those services. Virtual machine. So first, let me tell you about virtual machines. Virtual machines are software emulations of physical computers. They include processor, memory, storage, and networking resources. So virtual machine hosts an operating system, and you are able to install and run software just like a physical computer. Azure Virtual Machine let you create and use virtual machine in the cloud. So it provides a infrastructure as a service. Another compute service we have virtual machine skill sets that they are in an Azure Compute resource that you can use to deploy and manage a set of identical virtual machines. Virtual machine skill sets are designed to support auto scaling. Then we have Azure Kubernetes service, which simplify the deployment and management of and operation of Kubernetes. Next is Azure function. So Azure function are ideal when you are concerned only about the code running your service and not the underlying platform or infrastructure. This accelerates application development using an event-driven serverless architecture. Next is Azure Service Fabric, so which is a distributed system platform that makes it easy to package, deploy, and manage scalable and reliable microservices and containers. Then we have App Service. So with App Service, you can quickly build, deploy, and scale web, mobile, and API apps running on any platform. App Service is a platform as a service. Azure Container Instance offers the fastest and simplest way to run a container in Azure without having to manage any virtual machine. It is also a platform as a service. Use Azure Batch to run large-scale parallel and high-performance batch jobs efficiently in Azure. Next, we have Azure Cloud Service, so which is an example of platform as a service that is used to create highly available, scalable cloud application and API that helps you to focus on application instead of hardware. You can also use Azure dedicated host compute service to deploy your virtual machines only to be used by your organization. So these are some examples of Azure compute services, and that's all for this topic, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.